Hello dear students, I am Dr. Jasleen Kevlani. I have been into teaching for about 17 years. I am working as Assistant Professor of Sociology in Rajiv Gandhi National University of Law, Punjab. I have 2 books and around 30 research papers in my credit. I have done my postdoc as a research awardee of UGC, that is University Grants Commission. Today, we will discuss the course details of the proposed course entitled Sociology of Gender. The rationale behind developing this course is very logistic. It aims at influencing the policy making and execution of legislations in a very functional way. Studying sociology of gender shall be of great help in the realm of social research, whereby community studies are very crucial. Until communities are explored in terms of their issues, their sufferings, their needs, the social research does not get successful outputs. In the era of globalization, we need to see what the influences of social processes on different communities are, with special reference to gender in the present case. Transgenders have further added to the need to study of gender, since they are part and parcel of community studies in contemporary times. The course shall duly focus on studying philosophy and theory on feminism, so that the mental orientations of the learners can be broadened on the issue of gender studies. While giving the course description, we can talk about developing sensitivity in learners. That categorically means the youth regarding understanding how lives of other sections of society influence life of the women. In addition, their physical as well as mental health. The mechanisms of empowerment shall be analyzed too. Rural-urban dichotomy in gender studies is very indispensable part of any successful study, in the case which shall be given a due space in the learning of the course contents. The main objectives of the course are to create research-oriented environment in the classroom and create efficacious class of authors and research writers in the field. In addition, there is a need to radicalize the curriculum development strategies, so that the social change is incorporated in the contents being taught. However, identifying the research gap in the field shall be another motive of the course. The structure of the course has been divided in 12 weeks. The week-wise modules have been made. The first week shall focus on development of gender and introduction to sociology of gender, followed by Indian society and value system, impact of socialization and social institutions on gender, feminism and different perspectives, media and social media and the gender, changing gender profile in India, criminality, crime and the law, correctional methodology, research and gender, and empowering women. I hope that joint efforts of all of us will be successful and will learn in a very functional way. Thank you so much. Have a good day.